Healthy feet. Use foot balm daily to lock in moisture and protect your feet against the elements. Ancient oils. Hempvana Heel Tastic embraces the moisturizing power of Indian Neem and Karanja oils. Cannabis seed extract. Enriched with cannabis seed extract in the form of oil for its skin conditioning benefits. Cracked feet repair. Unlike foot cream and heel cream that sits on top of the skin, Hempvana Heel Tastic Heel Balm penetrates skin to soften and protect. Included, 1-2 Oz tube of Hempvana Heel Tastic Heel Balm. Restore moisture to your heels with Hempvana Heel Tastic Intensive Heel Therapy Foot Balm. It's made especially for dry, cracked heels that are in urgent care for some TLC. Imagine being able to show off your gorgeous feet during the summer months. So, how does Hempvana Heel Tastic relieve your feet of dryness and cracking? The secret is in the moisturizing power of ancient Indian Neem and Karanja oils. Envelop your feet in a luxurious foot care experience. Top reviews from the United States. Best product on the market for cracked feet. Always loved Heeltastic, but the Hempvana version is unbelievably effective. It works quickly and heals the deepest cracks. It's a life-changing product for diabetics or anyone struggling with sore, itchy, cracking feet.